What if I told you the most powerful device you own isn't in your pocket anymore? That your key to a more productive, healthy, and connected life is strapped to your wrist right now. But with hundreds of options, how do you find the one that doesn't just tell time but actually changes it in the next few minutes? We're cutting through the noise and the hype to reveal the only 5 Android smartwatches in 2025 that are genuinely better than your phone. One of them will shock you. Let's begin. Starting at number 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. The Galaxy Watch 8 adds Samsung AI to help you sleep better and train for a marathon, as well as Google Gemini for virtual assistants. You can also use the watch to measure your antioxidant levels for dietary recommendations, and get insights into your arterial health through a new vascular load metric. Like previous models, it'll give you a daily energy score that encompasses all your track fitness and sleep metrics, along with a personalized wellness tip to help you feel your best. You can also use it to measure your body composition, similar to a smart scale. During the night, it can even detect snoring and sleep apnea. You'll need to charge it daily, but you'll be rewarded with the most feature-rich Android watch on the market. Samsung fans, the Galaxy Watch 8 provides the ideal mix of features and value in Samsung's current lineup of smartwatches. It also works best with Samsung phones specifically, as you need a first-party handset to access the AI-based running coach, irregular heart rhythm notifications, phone separation alerts, gesture controls, and snoring detection. Health-focused AI enthusiasts, Samsung's AI in the Galaxy Watch 8 will help you train for a marathon and improve your sleep quality. The watch also packs in Google's AI Gemini for conversational assistance and voice-based phone control. Users who want it all, with extensive connectivity, fitness, and lifestyle tools, alongside new health features like its AI coach, antioxidant detection, and vascular load sensing, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 has more capabilities than any smartwatch we've tested. If you want a watch that ticks off numerous boxes with innovative add-ons, this is it. Number 2. Garmin Venu Sq 2. The Garmin Venu Sq 2 stands out as both a premium fitness tracker and a basic smartwatch. It features a large AMOLED screen, a built-in GPS for fitness tracking, key lifestyle features like Garmin Pay, and a week-long battery life that Google and Samsung smartwatches can't match. Fitness and health enthusiasts, with support for numerous workout profiles, accurate heart rate sensing, and integrated GPS, the Garmin Venu Sq 2 excels at tracking activity and exercise. Beyond keeping up with your rigorous fitness regimen, it'll help you monitor your health 24/7 with on-demand blood oxygen saturation readings, detailed sleep tracking, and stress stats. Travelers and endurance athletes, the Garmin Venu 2 lasts for roughly a week without needing a charge, offering much longer battery life than most major smartwatches. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. The Galaxy Watch FE combines the usual variety of Wear OS apps and smarts with most of the fitness features of the Galaxy Watch 8 at a more affordable price. It tracks a wide range of workouts and accurately measures heart rate, pace, and VO2 max, as well as advanced outdoor running metrics like asymmetry and vertical oscillation. It monitors sleep, including snoring, and allows you to measure your body fat percentage, similar to a smart scale. In other words, it remains ahead of the curve of Wear OS competitors when it comes to health tracking, thereby offering the best value for your money of any option on this list. Bargain hunters, if the Galaxy Watch 8 is a bit too pricey for you, the Galaxy Watch FE is an excellent alternative that makes some reasonable compromises, costing just over half as much. With the exception of Samsung's latest AI features, it offers almost all of the same useful lifestyle and fitness tracking capabilities as its flagship counterparts. Thanks to Wear OS, it has the same selection of apps. It can accurately monitor sleep and stress, and you can use it to manually track more than 100 different exercises. Fans of smaller watches, the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE is available in just one 40mm size, offered in black, pink gold, or silver. For comparison, the Galaxy Watch 8 is available in 40mm and 44mm options, whereas the Galaxy Watch Ultra is offered in a single 47mm size. Like the rest of Samsung's current watch lineup, the Galaxy Watch FE restricts access to certain features, such as snore detection, to first-party phones, making it work best with Samsung handsets. Number 4. Fitbit Sense 2. The Sense 2, Fitbit's top-of-the-line wearable, makes it easy to monitor your health and manage your stress. Its sensors monitor physical signs of stress throughout the day and help you track your moods to stay mindful. Fitbit lowered the price this generation and removed several lifestyle apps, steering it more toward wellness to differentiate it from its parent company, Google's Pixel Watch. We don't like the look of the new transparent display border for the heart rhythm sensor, but the second-generation Sense offers some usability improvements over the original, including a more responsive touch screen, a physical versus haptic button, and slightly better battery life. Around 5 days on a charge in our testing, users looking to de-stress, the Sense 2 features a continuous electrodermal activity (EDA) sensor, which measures small electrical changes in your skin's sweat level to track your body's response to stress, alerting you when it's time to take a breather. In moments of stress, it asks you to reflect on how you're feeling and offers suggestions to help you relax. Its weekly summaries illuminate trends, such as your most stressful days and top moods. Health fanatics, Fitbit Sense 2 offers a wide range of activity tracking and health monitoring features, including sensors to check blood oxygen saturation, breathing rate, heart rate variability, and skin temperature variation. I can also take an ECG and alert you about an irregular heart rhythm or a high or low heart rate. It's an excellent tool to help you stay active, reduce stress, and improve your overall wellness. Number 5. Fitbit Versa 4. The 4th-generation Fitbit Versa offers all the excellent fitness and health features that have made the Versa line a favorite of ours, including 24/7 heart rate monitoring, guided breathing exercises, and automatic exercise recognition. You also get a GPS for pace, distance, and route tracking without your phone, a SpO2 sensor to measure blood oxygen saturation while you sleep, and a heat sensor to track overnight skin temperature variation. It also offers key lifestyle features, including Amazon Alexa, Bluetooth calling, Google Maps, Google Pay, and smartphone notifications. Fitness newbies, if you're in the market for an affordable fitness-focused smartwatch to try out the experience, the Versa 4 is the one to get. It lacks an ECG sensor and some stress-tracking functionality of the Sense 2, but it comes with a robust selection of fitness and health features. Specifically, it has more than 40 exercise modes and sensors to detect blood oxygen levels, heart rate, elevation, and overnight skin temperature. Fitbit fans, the Versa 4 is our top pick among Fitbit-branded smartwatch, offering a thoughtful blend of fitness and lifestyle features in an attractive design at a competitive price. With a large screen, support for Bluetooth calls, and Amazon Alexa built in, it's a nice alternative to our favorite fitness tracker from the brand, the Charge 6. And there you have it, 5 wrist-worn computers that are truly changing the game. Whether you're a fitness fanatic, a productivity master, or just want seamless control, one of these is your perfect match. To make your choice effortless, we've packed the video description with direct links to every single model we featured. Just click the one you're most interested in. Those links help support our channel at no extra cost to you, so thank you. If this guide cleared the confusion and saved you hours of research, please show it some love with a like. Share this video with your friends and family who are stuck in smartwatch limbo, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell, because we're just getting started on our mission to bring you the clearest, most honest tech advice on the internet. See you in the next one.